Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing line graph data interpretation. Here I am continuing line graph data interpretation. First of all, look at the information carefully and then according to the given information, we need to solve the questions. Here the information is about production of production of two companies A and B over the years. Here the production is given in terms of lakh units. Here if you observe carefully, the information is very easy to understand that production of two companies. The companies are A and B. For these two companies, production is given over the years from 2000 to 2007. It means 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Total 8 years. Total 8 years production value. All the values which are provided in the line graph are belonging to in terms of lakh units. Each and every value. So the information is very clear. Production of two companies A and B and all the values which are provided in the line graph in terms of lakh units and the number of years that particular production is given is for 8 years. That is the given information. Now based on this information we need to solve the questions. Look at the first question. Here the first question is for company A. Company A in the sense that is square shape. Square shape is company A and rhombus shape is company B. So company A square shape. What is the percentage decrease? What is the percentage decrease in production from 2000 to 2001? 2000 and 2001. From 2000 to 2001 we need to calculate percentage decrement of company A. Company A is square shape. That means these two values we need to take into consider. So first of all, how can we calculate percentage decrement value? Percentage decrement is nothing but difference between those two values divided by high value or previous year value into 100 percentage. This is the way how we are going to calculate percentage decrement. Now you can calculate the required percentage decrement, which is equal to difference between these two, 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1, divided by previous year value or highest value, that is 4. 1 by 4 into 100 percentage, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 100, that is 25 percentage. 25 percentage. Therefore here from 2000 to 2001 the production of company A is decreased by 25 percentage. Is decreased by how much percentage? 25 percentage. So among the given options, option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Let us look at the second question. Second question is in 2007. We are talking about 2007. The production of company B. Company B means that is rhombus shape. Company B production, that is 11. Is approximately what percent of that of in 2006? 2006 production, which is 7, right? Now we are going to calculate the approximate percentage of company B production in the year 2007. That particular value, approximately what percentage of company B production in the year 2006, and into 100 percentage is common point, right? Whenever you are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is the common point. Therefore the required percentage is equal to, here company B production in 2007, that is 11, divided by company B production in the year 2006, which is 7. 11 by 7 into 100. Now you can calculate this value. 1100 by 7. 1100 by 7, that is equal to 11 ones are 7 ones are 7. Next 40 means 5 times 5 is there. And next 50 means 7 times 7 sevens are 49. So after the decimal point, no need of taking that value. Why? Because among the options you are having 157, right? So approximately, it is not exact answer. 157 point something is the exact answer, but you don't want that particular decimal points. You want the answer up to this particular nearest integer, which is 157 percentage. 157 percentage, that is the required percentage of company B production in the year 2007. That particular value is 157 percentage of company B production in the year 2006. That is the meaning of that particular question. So our required answer is approximately 157, which is option B. Option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Let us look at the third question. Here the third question is for company A. We are talking about company A, that is square shape. For company A, in which year? In which year? Here we are talking about the year. In which year is the percentage increase or decrease? Is the percentage increase or decrease in the production from the previous year? In the production from the previous year, the highest. See, here we need to calculate whether it is percentage increment or percentage decrement. As comparing with the previous year, that particular value is highest. That is for which year we are is asking about. Here, if you look at company A, company A is nothing but that is you need to start with 2001 onwards. 2001 and then 2002 and then 2003 is not required. Why? Because as comparing with 2002, there is no change in the value for company A, and 2004 is also not required. Why? Because here also there is no change in the value as comparing with 2003. So 2003 and 2004, these 2 years are not required to calculate. And next 2005, next 2006 and next 2007, right? So how can you calculate whether it is percentage increment or decrement? That is nothing but difference between those 2 years divided by previous year value. Previous year value. That is a way of calculating percentage increment or decrement. After taking all the values, you need to calculate which one is the highest value. We need to take the highest value among those 5 values. First 2001. In 2001, as comparing with previous year, difference is 1 divided by previous year value, which is 4. Previous year value, which is 4. 1 by 4. I don't want to take the into 100. Why? Because every time for each and every value into 100 is common point. So no need of taking into 100 when you are comparing the values. But if you want to calculate the exact percentage increment, in that case you need to take into 100. Next 2002. 2002 value is 8 as comparing with previous year. Difference between 2001 and 2002. 8 minus 3, which is 5, divided by previous year value, that is 3. And next 2005. 2005 value is 7 as comparing with previous year value, that is difference is 1. 8 minus 7, that is 1, divided by previous year value 8. 1 by 8. And next one, here it is this value 2006 value is 8 and the previous year value is 7. Difference is 1 and the denominator is 7. And next last one 2007, as comparing with previous year, difference is 4 and the denominator value is 8. Now it is very easy to set the answer. Why? Because if you observe carefully, this value is less than 1, 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 and 2002 the value 5 by 3 which is greater than 1. Here there is no other calculations are required. Here just by observing only this particular less than 1 and greater than 1 concept, it is very clear that in the year 2002 the value is highest, whether it is percentage increment or percentage decrement. As we are calculating a percentage increment or decrement, as we are taking the highest value, so directly you can take only one value is which is greater than 1. Therefore that particular answer is 2002 year. 2002 year. But if you want to calculate lowest value, here it is 1 by 2. Definitely you can eliminate 2002. You need to check it out remaining 4 values. Among the 4 values in the remaining, if you observe carefully, all the numerators are equal to 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is also 1. Now compare the denominator values. If the denominator value is more, if the denominator value is more, then that particular fraction is minimum. Then that particular fraction is minimum, right? So denominator value is maximum for 2005. Therefore, from this it is very clear that 2005 value is lowest. 2005 value is lowest, and among these 5 I am talking about. But he is not asking about lowest value, he is asking us to calculate highest value. Therefore our required answer is 2002, which is option D. Option D is the right answer for this question. Fourth question. Here the fourth question is what is the difference in the total production of two companies for the given years? Here we need to calculate the difference in the total production. First of all, I will take A total, and after that B total, and then we can calculate the difference between those two. A total. First, A is nothing but that is square shape. Here 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. 31 plus 7, 38. 38 plus 8, 40. 38 plus 8, 46. 46 plus 12. 46 plus 12, 58. Therefore, total production of company A. Total production of company A, which is 58 lakhs. 58 lakhs. Now coming to B. Company B, which is rhombus shape, that is the second one. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 11, 31. 31 lakhs. 31 lakhs. Now you just calculate the difference between the total production of company A and the total production of company B, which is equal to 58 minus 31. That is 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs in the sense you need to write 5 zeros at the end of 27. 27 lakhs, which is option. Here you are having two options with 27. This is 27 followed by 4 zeros, and it is 27 followed by 5 zeros. You have to write 5 zeros at the end of 27. Why? Because your answer is 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs is nothing but 27 followed by 5 zeros, not 4 zeros. You have to be very much cautious about number of zeros as well. Therefore, the required answer for this question is option A, 27 lakhs. That is the required answer. Last question in this session, fifth one. Which of the following is the closest average production in lakh units of company B for the given years? See, which of the following? Here we are near. We have to calculate the closest average production. Closest average production in lakh units of company B. We are talking about company B for the given years. So as we all know that average is equal to sum of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Here it is nothing but sum of observations is nothing but total production of company B over all the years together divided by number of years. Number of observations is nothing but number of years we need to take into consider. Now, first of all, numerator value. Average is equal to sum of total production in of company B. Company B is nothing but rhombus shape and you need to take all 8 years. Total 8 years we are talking about, right? So, all total 8 years sum. Here company B, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Next 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 11, 31. Numerator is 31 and the denominator is 8. Denominator is 8. Number of years are 8. All the values are in terms of lakh units. You will get the average in terms of lakh units. Now you just take this value. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. And next it is left over with 7. Right? 70. 70 means it is decimal point and next followed by 70. 70 means it is 8 times 64 and again 6 is left over. 60. 60 means it is 8 sevens are 8 sevens are. That is fine. Up to here there is no requirement of calculating further values. Why? Because here you need to take up to single digit after the decimal point. So the required average is approximately, once look at the options, 4.1, 3.5, 4.3, 3.9. Here our answer is 3.87 something value, right? Our answer is 3.875 and which is closest to 3.9. 3.9 lakh units. 3.9 lakh units. That is the required average. That is the required average. 3.9 units. 3.9 lakh units. Which is option D. Option D is the right answer for this question. Option D. Guys, in this way you have to calculate all the problems based on this model. I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.